please listen to the vocabulary video before you start on this activity with the words. The video before this one is going to help you because it's going to give you the meanings of the words that are highlighted in yellow. So what you're doing for this activity is answering these questions in complete sentences or recording yourself answering the following questions. Number 1 says, if your house had pests such as mice, would they be causing harm? Explain. Number 2 says, if a friend gave you a cricket and said it was edible, would it be safe to eat? Why or why not? Number 3 says, is a sign that says walking on the grass is forbidden inviting you to walk on the grass? Explain. Number 4 says, is someone with a positive attitude about eating bugs likely to eat them as a snack? Why or why not?